Today we are going to learn about 2D and 3D shapes. 2D stands for two-dimensional. Two-dimensional shapes are flat and only have two dimensions, length and width. Let's see some 2D shapes. Circle. Example of circle in real life is clock. Semicircle. Example of semicircle in real life is rainbow. Triangle. Example of triangle in real life is warning sign board. Right-angled triangle. Example of right-angled triangle in real life is sail of the boat. Scalene triangle. Example of scalene triangle in real life is tower crane. Isosceles triangle. Example of isosceles triangle in real life is church steeple. Rectangle. Example of rectangle in real life is television. Square. Example of square in real life is chessboard. Rhombus. Example of rhombus in real life is rhombus-shaped earrings. Trapezium. Example of trapezium in real life is trapezium-shaped handbag. Parallelogram. Example of parallelogram in real life is parallelogram-shaped tiles. Pentagon. Example of pentagon in real life is house. Hexagon. Example of hexagon in real life is bolt. Heptagon. Example of heptagon in real life is the coin which contains 7 sides. Octagon. Example of octagon in real life is stop sign board. Nonagon. Example of nonagon in real life is the coin which contains 9 sides. Decagon. Example of decagon in real life is umbrella which contains 10 steel ribs. Star. Example of star in real life is stars in the night sky. Crescent. Example of crescent in real life is crescent moon. 3D shapes defined as the solid shapes having 3 dimensions, length, width and height. Let's see some 3D shapes. Sphere. Example of sphere in real life is world globe. Hemisphere. Example of hemisphere in real life is northern and southern hemisphere of world globe. Cylinder. Example of cylinder in real life is juice can. Cube. Example of cube in real life is dice. Cuboid. Example of cuboid in real life is blackboard duster. Pyramid. Example of pyramid in real life is Egypt pyramid. Cone. Example of cone in real life is party hat. Triangular prism. Example of triangular prism in real life is tent. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos.